There are multiple ways to make a character selection event. In this video, I will be going over the most straightforward way. By default, the first hero listed in the Heroes tab of the Data Manager will automatically be added to your party. For the purposes of this video, I have used the Modify Team command to add every party member in the game to the player's team. I then use the Modify Team command to move NPCs from the player's party to Reserve. Think of Reserve as the storage unit in any Pokemon game. Reserve will keep track of an NPC's level, stats, and gear. If you use the Remove option instead of Move, the NPC's instance will be completely deleted. Create a variable named Party Size to keep track of how many party members are currently in your team. Next, create one variable for each unique party member your game has. These will be used to help the game know which NPC is being moved where. Now create an event that will allow the player to add or remove NPCs to the party. Create a conditional that checks to see whether the party size variable is greater than or equal to 3. Make sure to check the Add Else when conditions do not apply option. In the Else part of the conditional, use the Show Text command to ask whether the player wants to add the NPC to the party or not. Directly under that, use the Display Choices command to give the player a yes or no choice. Under the Yes choice, use the Modify Team command to move the selected NPC from Reserve to the player's team. Under your Modify Team command, add a Change Variables command, then increase the variable party size by 1. Under your Change Variables command, create a Change State command. Leave all the values as is and hit OK. We will return to this and change it in a minute. Create a new state for your event and name it whatever you want. Go back to the Change State command we just created and change the state ID selection to the second state we just made. Go back to the beginning of the conditional and create a new Show Text command. Type a message that lets the player know that the party is now full. When the party size variable equals 3 or more, the player will be unable to add any more NPCs to the team. Use the knowledge from this tutorial to see if you can figure out how to remove NPCs from the player's team, or how to reset the player's team completely. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, or leaving a comment down below. This has been Sid from Digital Container, and I hope to see you next time.